Hey guys, it's Abby, and today I have my Peaches and Petals for you for March 2019, even though March is almost over. This box is a lifestyle box, and it is $19.99 a month, and it's one of those boxes that is sometimes it's good, sometimes it's okay, and sometimes it's bad. This month we're going to see what I received, and let's begin. I hope everyone has a really good weekend. I have a child home from school today. She's hiding out in her room because, you know, she's 12 and she's too cool for me. I remember when she wasn't feeling well and all she wanted to do was be with me. Now she's like, I don't feel good. I'm going to sleep all day. I'm like, just love me. Okay. So when you open the box, it looks like this. It gives you a card. It talks about the pet treater, which is another box they have. This box is made by that Daily Deal. They have Peaches and Petals, Mystery Mini Box of Awesome, the Mystery Box of Awesome, which is a huge version of the Mystery Mini. They have the pet treater, and they have the Snack With Me box, which I already have my Snack With Me box. I made the video. I just haven't put it up yet. So if you guys want to see that, let me know, because I've been kind of hesitating putting it up. I don't know why, but I'm hesitating. I've been hesitating putting up any of my boxes. I'm going through a funk, guys. But changes are coming on my channel. Just wanted to let you guys know. I'm going to be putting up videos that are not unboxings. I think it's time for a change, and I'm going to be doing that fairly soon. So in between my unboxings that I'm doing, I will be putting up other videos, and I have canceled a lot of my boxes. So I'm going to be doing my boxes that I really like. I'll still be having those on my channel, but some of the other boxes that I'm not like crazy about, or I don't really use the products that are in there, are going to be going away. So long some boxes, and I'm not going to go into all the boxes that I have canceled, but you'll notice when the month goes on. Okay, well, when April goes on. The first thing I see is this, and this is the facial mask by My Beauty Spot. Do they have usually they have like a card that tells you everything that's in your box, but they don't. They just have this Peaches and Petals card right here. Okay, so this is the My Beauty Spot facial mask. It's aromatically beautiful and fresh blend of fruits and botanicals with nourishing essential oils for moisturizing and soothing of your aromatically beautiful and fresh blend of fruits and botanicals with nourishing essential oils for moisturizing and soothing of your wild treating acne. Does that make sense? Lavender honey, it's paraben free and gluten free. You get 5 of these masks, and here they are. So they're just face masks. There's 5 of them in here, so that's nice. Instead of, you know, in subscription boxes, you always get 1, maybe 2, not 5. I feel like I have a hair stuck to my lip gloss. I mean, I probably do, because, you know, I always have a hair stuck to my lip gloss. I have a hair stuck to my face all the time. That's what happens when you have children with long hair, a husband with long hair, and cats. Okay, so here they are. They're lavender and honey. There's 5 of them. So that's nice that you get more than 1. I do like that. Okay, the next thing is this, and this is by Global Beauty Care, and this is cleansing nose strips. They're charcoal. Removes blackheads, unclogs pores, and works in 10 minutes. How many are in here? There's 3. There's only 3. There's 3 nose strips in here, but I'm glad to get these because I just ran out of my Biore strips, and nothing gets blackheads out of my nose better than these strips. So I'm very, very happy I have these, because my nose and my chin are my trouble spots with blackheads. It's like no matter what I do, I always get them on my nose. So I'm excited to get these. I wish there was more than 3. I just almost dropped it. I wish there was more than 3, but there isn't. So, okay. Next thing is this, and this is a pair of very long socks. Sock It To Me Sweater Safari Knee-High Socks. Okay. I mean, I can always use socks, and I do love wearing knee-highs. I wear knee-highs all the time, especially in the summer when it's cold inside my house because of the air conditioning, but outside is super hot. I can wear like a t-shirt and knee-highs. So here they are. They have animals all over them. I don't know if I'll wear these. These are a little bit funky, but maybe my kids will. Pleased to meet you. We make a great pair. Sock it to me socks. Love being washed with light colors in cold water. Okay. The next thing is this, and this is a Melon Pro 3-in-1 slice, remove rind, create melon balls. Prep with any melon. I don't have one of these, so I'm excited about this. I love getting gadgets for my kitchen. I just do. I love getting gadgets for my kitchen. What is this? Oh, look, you can use this, the top part, to slice the melon, and then you scoop the melon. I've never seen this. Okay, so pull wire through melon to remove from rind, cut into slices, and then scoop the melon, and you can scoop melon balls. That's super cool. I'm excited about this. I love gadgets for my kitchen, and I love the color. A lot of this stuff in my kitchen is turquoise, but I am excited to have like a bright piece in my kitchen, so yay. And the last but not least is this. They should have put bubble wrap or something on this one because I'm just lucky this didn't break because this is glass. They definitely should put bubble wrap in these. Oh, look at that. It's a little light candle holder. You can just hang this up somewhere. And this is a brown candle. This is a brown candle lantern, and it's battery powered. And that's a cute little addition. I could probably put that outside, you know, when my kids are night swimming. This probably wouldn't give much light, but I could put this outside. Maybe it won't attract too many bugs. I think that's adorable. I do have like antique lanterns, but like old gas lanterns, or maybe not gas, but oil lanterns. I have them around my house. This won't fit in with the decor, but I can always use something like this, and this is cute to put outside. Maybe I can put this on my front porch or hang it on my front porch. I think that would be cute. With some of my plants that I hang up there, I think that would be cute. All right, guys, so for $19.99, we got a lantern. I like that it's pretty cool. I like that it's battery operated, and I like that it's glass, not plastic, but I do wish that they would have protected it more. We got 5 face masks, which is pretty good compared to some other boxes where you only get 1. We got a crazy pair of knee-high socks that I don't know if I'm going to wear them or not. It's definitely nice to have knee-high socks. These are pretty thick, so these will be nice for colder nights. We got the charcoal cleansing nose strips, which I will definitely use. And we got this Melon Pro that I think I am most excited about because I don't have one of these, and I will definitely use it. I just bought some cantaloupe the other day, so I'm excited. I have just been waiting for it to ripen, but I also have some pineapple, so maybe I will use the scoop for that as well. Have any of you seen those videos that are going around about how pineapple has been being cut wrong forever, and you're supposed to be able to peel the pineapple off? I wanted to try that today when Scarlett gets home to see if we can actually do it. I might record it, I might not, but I was wondering, did any of you guys see that, and have you tried to actually eat the pineapple that way? I've been watching videos, and some people have a really easy time doing it, and some people can't do it at all. All right, guys, so that is it for my Peaches and Petals for March 2019. I don't think it was bad this month. I think that they did a pretty good job. There was 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 items in there, and I'm most excited for the Melon Pro. I'm gonna scoop me some melon. So, all right, guys, let me know what you thought about this box. Do you get Peaches and Petals? If you do, what did you get in your box? Did we all get the same things? And I'll make sure to leave a link in my description box for you guys so you can go check it out if you'd like to. And that is it for today. I hope everyone's having a wonderful weekend. I do have a ton of videos to put out this weekend. I have a ton of videos just to put out. So you guys might be being bombarded by my videos this weekend. I have my snack with me, my fashion crate, I have a new coffee subscription that I've seen other people put up. I have that one as well. And I have another one that I have to put out, but I don't remember which one it is. So I do have a lot of videos to put out. So if you guys see a lot of videos going up, I apologize. I just need to put them out. And some of them I might be putting out on my Instagram. So if I don't put it up on my YouTube, go check out my Instagram. I've been posting videos on my Instagram TV. I'll make sure to link my Instagram in my description box for you guys. And that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys so very much. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.